Hi Leo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot to another Love Bite. Let's see, Leo, what message wants to show through for you today. And these are, of course, general collective readings, Leo, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Leo and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their love life now. Thank you. All right, Leo, let's start your reading. Welcome back, all my subscribers. And yes, I'm still in the same state. My home is still not ready and it's going to take a little bit more time. So, well, I've given up. It'll happen when it'll happen. Newbies, do join us, subscribe to the channel. We welcome you in as well. And let's get on with your reading now. Okay. King of Pentacles, Ten of Cups, Star in reverse, Eight of Swords, Judgment, Ace of Cups, Four of Cups, Hierophant, and the Death in reverse. Death upright. So somebody basically wants to come out of this feeling. They're feeling, lack now. They want to come out of this feeling of being left behind, the sadness, the regret, the feeling that, I'm out in the cold. Basically, what one person is wanting, Leo, is a rebirth of a connection. Okay? They're feeling very ungrounded and very unhappy that they lost their Ten of Cups. They lost their emotional happiness. They're kind of feeling they went the wrong direction or their wishes didn't come true. They desperately want to come out of this now stress and overthinking and that mind prison of what went wrong and how it went wrong. Can we just start again because I love you so much? But the problem is they're feeling very rejected now. They do want to transform this connection. Death is a card of let's start again. Let's cut out the crap from the past and can we re-begin? So let's see what's going to happen. I'm going to start, Leo, with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other now, what that would be, and then we'll clarify the rest of the cards. So Leo and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Leo and their person. Okay. Let's take a few more, Leo, from another deck. Mix it up a bit. Leo and their person. Leo and their person. And Leo, if any of you are looking for personal readings, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. All right, good to go, Leo. Let's start your reading. The first card here says, I don't understand why you hide your feelings from me. And whenever you do open up, you run and hide. When you get in touch, you act as if nothing happened and give me little to no explanation of why you just vanished. This behavior makes me feel unappreciated and not valued by you. I realized I can't run from you because you're deep within me. We are one and eternally connected. When I run, I'm actually running from myself when you've shown me in the mirror the reflection of what I don't like about myself and what I must heal. I'm haunted by your presence. I see you in my dreams. I hear you telepathically. Every song I hear reminds me of you. I see numbers that have special meaning to us. Everything reminds me of you, and all I want is you. If this is happening to you, why do you stay at a distance? There's no escape for me when I try and move on. I'm haunted even more. I'm planning a romantic trip for us to reconnect. I want to cherish you with loving adoration. When you're away from me, I feel loneliness in my heart. I can't stop missing you and loving you. I need you here with me. I'm involved with someone else and it wouldn't be fair to either of you to pursue our connection at this time. Do you think about me? I need some time to collect my thoughts. Please get to know me again. I have changed. And the last one here, Leo says, Your ego is effing irritating me. Can't you see the value I could add to your life? If only you would just let me in, we could be a strong power couple. Alright, Leo, these were some of your cards. Let's start your reading. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card as always. Let's see what my angels have for your read. Then we'll start the clarification. So, my angels, blessing, guidance. Oops, too many cards together. No, one card. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Here it is. Believe. I think somebody is losing hope here. Somebody is losing hope that they can, actually have this resurrection or this connection again. So I guess the message is for that person to say, hey, believe that you can have it and make some effort, right? Okay. King of Pentacles in reverse. Why is the King of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit? Okay, so basically this person was too busy chasing after money and this and that and whatever. They forgot to have a balanced life. They have to also include romance and not just flirting and breaking promises and hurting the people by not showing up. Knight of Cups in reverse is a heartbreaker. They make the promises but they never keep them. Maybe too busy, accumulating their wealth or money or work or whatever. But now this person, whoever was doing that, has now figured out that, hey, none of that made me happy at all. I mean, all my 9 cups, well, there's no wish fulfillment in not having a solid partner by my side. What will money do? Finally, when you're old and tired, you need somebody to hold your hand, right? Money can't do that. Yes, it's good to have money, but it can't compensate for companionship. Now this person is feeling very unhappy. Why did I do this? Why did I show up as somebody who was not, to be taken seriously, I guess. So they feel somewhere, they've lost that belief that they can have their 10 of Cups. They feel they've lost it altogether. Yes, see, 10 of Cups again in reverse. 10 of Cups is clarified by the 10 of Cups in reverse. Now they're going back and forth in their mind, wondering what to do. What should I do? What should I do? I don't want to be in this sad place for the rest of my life. I think somebody wants to get out of their sleepless nights and worry that what about my future? What about my future now of happiness? Star in reverse, Spirit. Star in reverse. Star in reverse. They're confused now. They're very, maybe this person wanted to have lots of options. Maybe they wanted to at one point have lots of options. They may have taken a wrong direction in their life. Maybe this Leo is your card, so this could be you, I don't know. But they wanted people to chase them. They wanted people's attention. They like to have multiple choices. Look at me, I'm so strong and I'm so successful. They liked all that. But all that actually was not the right direction that they were going. But now that they've realized it, now that the blindfold is off, they've realized, oh my God, this being in 2 different directions and never making a commitment was the wrong thing to do. Now when they realize what the correct choice was, it really burdens them. What did I do? Why was I sitting in this prideful place, egoistic place of saying, hey, I can choose whoever I want. All I have to do is earn lots of money and, look at me. And this now, they've realized it now. They have. The blindfold is off. Now they want to get out of their head. 8 of Swords in reverse. Yes, they want to open up. They want to talk. They want to make things right. They want to have a resurrection with their person who's I think now ignoring them. The Empress is now in reverse. I mean, whoever this King of Wands was, they had an Empress in hand. And they played mind games with an Empress. Maybe expecting this Empress to chase them or, be one of their many options or something like that. Now they've realized, what did I do? What did I do? I was playing around with the Queen above all queens. So now they want to restart this connection because now their cup of love is overflowing. This is the person I want. But by now this queen, this empress has decided, no, I don't want to work on this connection anymore. I'm angry with them, I'm upset with them. They showed me nothing. They did nothing. They didn't work on this connection. I'm upset with them and I'm angry with them, and I don't see any future growth with them. So give me something for the Ace of Cups. This is interesting. Ace of Cups. Ace of Cups. This is the other person. Now that things have become totally stagnant, they've lost their chance for anything new, stable. Now they feel like an utter fool. They feel embarrassed, ashamed. They feel knocked off their high horse that they were sitting on in that ego and pride, because now they realize this is the love of a lifetime. You don't find an empress every day, do you, Leo? Right? So now there's a huge depression. There's love, but nobody to give it to. Four of Cups in reverse. Yes, my God, Four of Cups is clarified by the Four of Cups, Leo. This is the amount of sadness and depression this King of Wands is going through now. They want to get out of it, but now it's very difficult because they never committed when the time was right. Hierophant in reverse. Yes, this person has lost their power. They've lost their power. This card came out sideways. Maybe they were very controlling and stubborn in the past. Now they do want to become the emperor, now upright, but they don't know how. And because of that, now they're going through a little bit of depression. This is depression. This is not wanting to get out of bed when you think of, oh my God, what did I lose? What did I lose? I could have been the emperor to the empress, and in my stubborn pride, I didn't give that commitment. I didn't offer anything. So Death card, Spirit, now? What's the Death card? Somebody believes it's over now. Death. This death is an actual death. Yes. Somebody feels very, very stressed out. Very stressed out. As much as they want to have a renewal of this connection, they feel it's totally over. They have so much of regret, so much of sorrow, so much of sadness, because I think this person got caught. This empress is very intuitive. You don't fool an empress, right? This empress, I think, saw right through them and cut them out. Now they're feeling so stuck. They feel they're getting bad karma, or they will never get another second chance. They really are hoping for this fight to end, but I don't think they believe it. No wonder Spirit gave the card of believe as a blessing to this reading, right? Somebody needs to believe that they can have a transformation of this once again. But they'll have to put in the work and not just sit under a tree and cry, right? So, why was the overall energy, Spirit? The Five of Pentacles in reverse. Is it a possibility? Oh my God. Spirit says, well, the problem here is that whoever this person is, they never invested. They never invested when the time was right. And yes, this seems like it's over. 10 of Swords with the Death card again. This is like a huge ending. So this is how things are going at the moment, Leo. But Spirit's blessing to you is still, if you believe, you can turn it around. But you'll have to put in some work. At the moment, this Empress is saying no. This is an ending as of now. But if you believe and don't accept maybe that, you can't do anything about it, there's nothing you can now invest or make it grow if you don't believe it, then yes, this is going to be a huge ending. It's over. So that's all I have for you, Leo. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.